Hello, everybody that's out there. This is Amanda Wray coming to you with a live video on June 21st. I hope everyone can hear me. I am excited because I received a payment today from a company that I've been with since May of 2017, and I'm going to share that with you live and actually do a live deposit into my bank account to just show you how amazing the system is. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two, and I've been online since 2015 looking for a way and an opportunity to allow me to earn a full-time income so I didn't have to go back to work. I was determined to find something, and I have found it something that actually works and it's duplicatable, easy for other people to do. I just want people to know that earning a full-time income online is not easy and it's not hard. It's just about consistency. If you are consistent and you believe in what it is that you're promoting, you can do very well online. And I'm just excited about this opportunity because I've been looking for an opportunity like this, something that I could wake up to and earn commissions by running cold traffic, to the opportunity utilizing a sales funnel. For those that don't know, a sales funnel is basically a capture page, a sales page, and an autoresponder all connected, and it allows people to go through the motions of getting the information and joining your business opportunity. So for those that don't know, I am with a company called the Power Lead System, and I'm going to pull it up now. You may have been in this program before, you may have heard of it before, but it's absolutely phenomenal. My first time being in this program back in 2015, I made hardly any money. It wasn't enough for me to leave my daytime job, but looking at it again back in 2017, I'm happy that I did because it has truly changed my life and allowed me to stay at home with my children. I'm here in my office where I do all of my videos and I connect with other people and I provide information about this opportunity. So right now I currently have $4,706.53, which I earned over the course of 2 weeks with the Power Lead System. And I am going to do a direct deposit that's going to go into my account within the next 24 to 72 hours. It normally happens within 1 day, but it does state that it can take up to 3 days. You can get direct deposit, or you can use a debit card, and have the money put directly on your debit card. Okay, so I'm going to click here and do this live for you guys so that you can see this is a real business where you can earn real commissions and you get paid on a weekly basis from this company. I have never had a week where I've missed being paid from the Power Lead System. And it's coming through fine, no problem. So you can request a card and get paid through the debit card, or you can have the funds transferred to your account. I like to have the funds transferred directly to my account. I hit this button, $4,705 will now be directed to my bank account. I hit continue, and I'm basically all set to go. Confirm, and that's it. So what I want to show now is what's going to happen from here with the Power Lead System. You get paid through priceless possibilities, which is what comes up when you're actually receiving payments. And going into my Bank of America account, I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like when you start getting paid. And being on my team, it's going to happen because what I do is I make sure that people know exactly what to do to receive commissions on a consistent basis, to get opt-ins and leads to generate a full-time income. And that's extremely important. If people are online and they're not making money, they are going to stop looking at the opportunity and they're going to go on to the next. So my ultimate goal is to make sure that people are earning a full-time income online. They know how to do it and they're doing it consistently. Okay, so what's going to happen now is, 1 second here, make sure I'm in the right account. Yeah, these are my accounts, my savings account, and I have 2 business accounts here. This is the account where the money is going to actually go, and it's going to look like this. Give me 1 second here. When you get paid, and like I said, it's normally the next day, It's going to look like this. So priceless possibilities. This is one of the payments I received on June 13th, in the amount of $6,137. That was for 3 weeks. May 10th, I received $5,897. That was for 3 weeks. And here, April 23rd, I received $7,986. That was for a month. And here I received on March 23rd, $4,517, and that was for 2 weeks. Okay, so that's what the transactions look like. These are the amounts that have went into my bank account from the Power Lead system. For those that don't know what the Power Lead system is, it's basically a generating lead magnet, and they have different levels that you can come in at. When you first start, these will all be red, and as you upgrade to different levels, they will start to turn green. This being the lower level, to become an affiliate is a $53 monthly fee. It allows you to receive unlimited $20 commission, residual commissions for each person that's in your downline. As a diamond member, you pay a one-time fee of $147. It's going to allow you to get $100 unlimited commissions. And as a platinum member, you pay $497. That allows you to get $400 commissions. And that's the Master Traffic Institute level. You pay a one-time fee of $1497. You're going to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. Each level unlocks trainings that you will have access to. And of course, I always tell people you get what you pay for. At the higher levels, you're going to just be able to run traffic at a much higher pace, which is going to allow you to get commissions much faster, opt-ins to your capture page much faster. At the higher levels, the platinum and the MTI level, and also the diamond level, I set up your funnel for you. It will be done within 24 to 48 hours. And then you can start just running traffic. I show you exactly how to do it. You have the free methods and you have paid methods. I go over both methods that will allow you to start generating opt-ins and signups into your business, okay? So if you want information about the Power Lead system and how it works, there is a link in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to follow my results and how I'm doing with this opportunity. And you can also connect with me on Facebook. That information is in the description as well. So thanks so much for viewing my video. Stay inspired about starting a home-based business. Is not as hard as you think, okay? If I can do it, anyone can do it, and I'm here to actually help you to be successful online. So thanks for watching my video, and have a great night.
That was fast.